Hello guys, good day to you all. I believe you guys are doing fine. You're all welcome to Prime Art Graphic Designing. So in this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to design a simple sales promotion using the Canva application. So quickly, let's get started. So when you launch into the Canva application, this is the default page that will be open before you. So quickly, I'll tap on this plus sign like this, and I go to custom size. Then the size I'll be using is 1280 by 1280. That's a square design, so I choose create new design. So after when it's done loading, the working space will be open before me, and the very first thing I'll do is to tap on this background like this, and I take replace to upload the background that I wish to use for this particular design. So let me quickly locate my folder, alright, like this, and this is the background I'll be using for this particular design. Okay, once it's done like this, I'll go to this plus sign again, and I go to elements, and the very first thing I'll do is to just tap on see all or under lines and shapes, or if you can't have it here, you simply type lines and shapes here, and you choose this particular square like this, you tap on it like this. So after tapping on it, after having it this way, you reduce it like this, and make sure it's long enough, and you position it somewhere around here like this, and you go to colors and you change the color to yellow. This yellow looks light, this one looks light, so let's try to give it a thick yellow, or let's say a dark yellow color. Okay, like this is cool, so okay, let me adjust it this way, and I think it's cool. The next thing I'll do is to go to this plus sign again, and I go to gallery. I want to import the image, this particular shoe like this that I'll be using for my flyer. After importing it, I increase the size like this, and I go to position, and I go to align, and I choose the center alignment and the middle alignment. That is, I want to position it both horizontally and vertically at the center. After having it this way, I go to notch, and I push it up a bit. I take it up a bit like this. Alright, like this is cool. The next thing I'll do is to go to this plus sign again, and I go to elements, and I search for a shadow. Alright, so I'll be using this particular shadow, this first shadow like this. I tap on it, reduce the size, and I position it somewhere down here. Okay, so I think this is cool. So next thing I'll do is to go to my this T here, and start my typing. I'll take it add a heading, and the very first thing I'll be typing is new arrival. Alright, then I'll go to B format, and I enable this B here to make it bold. After that, I reduce the size, and I position it here. Okay, then I'll make a duplicate of it. I'll just highlight it and tap on this plus sign to copy like this, and I'll edit it. This way, and I'll type Prime's fashion. Prime's fashion like this. I'll reduce the size, and I'll position it somewhere around here. Reduce the size again. Okay, I think it's cool. So after positioning it, I'll go to this plus sign again, stay on text, add a heading. I will type big sales. Alright, after having it this way, I'll go to fonts. I'll go to this FF fonts here, and I'll search for, in this search here, I'll type Allura. I'll search for the Allura font. Okay, this is the Allura font here, so I'll use the Allura font on it like this. Do not change all, please change only this big to the Allura font. and I'll position it here, and I'll go to this A color, font color, text color, and I'll change the color to this particular yellow down here. Alright, so I think it's cool. I think it's cool like this. So the next thing I'll do again is to go to this plus sign, and I'll go to elements. And under, alright, I'll go to elements, and I'll search for a rectangle. A rectangle, or let me just say a round rectangle. I'll search for a round rectangle. Alright, let me try this particular one over here, whether I will go. Tap on it like this. The first thing I'll do is to change the color to yellow. Okay, like this. Then I'll tap on new arrival, make a duplicate of it, position it here, and I type shop now. Then I change the color. To wine, to this particular wine color over here. Oh, sorry. To this wine color over here. After changing the color, I go ahead and give it some boldness, like this. Okay, so let me position it here like this. Alright, so I position it like this. In the middle of it. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to tap on this new arrival, make a duplicate, and I'll type the contact. I'll type the contact information. Okay, like this is cool. Then I'll bring it down here, and I'll give it some boldness like this, and I'll change the color to black like this. Alright, then I'll make a duplicate again, go to edit, I'll type the location. Alright, so I'll position it here, give it some boldness as well. Alright, so after doing this, I'll go again to my gallery, and I go under elements. I'll go under elements, and I'll search for, still under lines and shape. I'll just tap on see all, and I'll choose this particular shape here like this. This particular shape, I'll tap on it. Okay, since the color is already yellow, I'll maintain it, but if yours appears white, please make sure you change the color to yellow. And I'll position it somewhere around here, reduce the size, and I'll go to merge. Okay, you can see that the grids are already guiding us. The grids are guiding us, meaning our work is aligned. We are working within alignment. So after having it this way, the next thing I'll do, I want to add some touches to it. To make it look more stony or eye-catching. So I'll go to this plus sign. Under elements, I'll search for line circle like this, and I'll choose this first one here. Reduce the size this way, change the color to white. Oh, it looks too small, so let me choose the second one. And I'll change the color to white. Okay, so I'll make a duplicate of it, position it here, make a duplicate of it, position it here, make a duplicate again, and I will position it here. Here like this. Okay, so after having it this way, I'll tap on this new arrival again, make a duplicate, tap on the edit, and I'll type up to, and I'll bring it down here like this. Make sure it's within the range of alignment, and I'll give some bonus like this, up to, make a duplicate of it again, and I'll type 50%, like this. And now I'll increase the size again, increase the size a bit. Okay, like this is cool. Then I'll change the color to yellow, and I'll tap this up to again, make a duplicate, and I'll type off, meaning it's of 50% discount. I'll position it down here like this. So we are almost done. Let's improve on our touches. So now I'll go to this plus sign again, and I'll search for a dot like this. I'm looking for a single dot. Let me see. Okay, let me remove the background. Let's try again. Okay, network failure. Alright, since you're not using the Canva Pro, let me show you how to do it. Tap on this one, reduce the size like this, and change the color to white. Reduce it again, make it very small. Alright, since it's difficult to select, this is what you do. You simply scroll to layers like this, and you choose the dot. This is the dot over here. Tap on it like this, and you delete it because it seems too big. So you simply go to your text, you go to add a heading, you delete this one, and you put a dot. You put a dot here, just a single dot. After having it, you go to notch, or you position it with your hands like this. Make a duplicate, position it here. Make a duplicate, position it here. Make a duplicate, and I position it somewhere here like this. Okay, so I think we are done. So let me check my alignment. Whether it's well aligned. Okay. Alright, so I tap on show grid view, and guides like this. Okay, so let me check whether my work is well aligned, so I highlight it like this, and I match it to the corner. Okay, so after when I'm done, this is what I'll do. After when I'm done, I'll simply tap on this save icon here, this save option here, or I tap on this one like this, and I take download, and I'll download it to my gallery. Tap on it like this, give it some time for it to load, and when it's done loading, you will access it in your gallery. So basically, this is how we go about to design simple flyers using the Canva application. I believe the process was very simple. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, guys. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, information, and tutorials on Android or smartphone graphic designing.